If you're looking for the best AI transcription tool for YouTube videos, you've probably heard of Claptools. In today's review, we'll dive deep into this brand new, free AI software and explore 7 crucial things you need to know before you start using it. Whether you're a YouTuber, marketer, or content creator, this tool could be a game changer for your workflow. So stick around till the end to find out if it's the right fit for you. First off, let's talk about the core functionality of Claptools. This software is designed to take your YouTube videos and automatically transcribe them with a high degree of accuracy. Now, if you've ever tried manually transcribing a video, you know how tedious and time-consuming it can be. Claptools solves that problem by offering a free, quick, and highly efficient way to transcribe your videos. Whether you're dealing with a 5-minute video or a full-length presentation, this AI-powered transcription tool promises to save you hours. One of the standout features of Claptools is its user-friendly interface. When you log in, you're greeted with a simple, intuitive dashboard that makes getting started a breeze. It's clear the developers designed it with creators in mind, as everything is laid out in a way that anyone, whether you're a tech expert or a beginner, can quickly understand. The setup process is seamless, and there are no complicated steps to follow. Simply upload your video and the tool goes to work. Now, if you're wondering about the accuracy of Claptools, let me assure you, it's impressive. The AI behind this tool is capable of transcribing audio from videos with different accents, speech patterns, and even background noise. Sure, no transcription tool is perfect, but Claptools is better than many others I've tried. You'll still want to review the transcript for any minor errors, but it gets you 90-95% of the way there. Another great thing is the speed. You're not going to wait around for hours for your transcription to be completed. For a typical YouTube video, Claptools can transcribe in minutes. The best part? It's all free. You're getting a powerful tool without paying a dime, which is hard to come by in the world of AI transcription services. The customization options available within the tool are worth mentioning too. You can easily adjust the format of your transcriptions, add timestamps, and even export them in a variety of file types, including text and .srt for subtitles. If you're looking to use the transcriptions for SEO purposes, having those timestamps can be a huge asset for ranking your videos more effectively. Another thing to note about Claptools is its reliability. Unlike many transcription services that tend to crash or have long processing times when dealing with larger files, Claptools handles larger videos efficiently. This is an important factor if you're regularly working with long-form content. If you're worried about accuracy, it's also worth mentioning that Claptools offers a feature where you can manually correct the transcriptions as needed. So, even if you run into some mistakes, the interface makes it easy to clean them up. This level of flexibility is something you don't always find with free tools. Lastly, Claptools is constantly being updated. The developers are actively working to improve the software and add new features, which means it's only going to get better over time. If you've tried other transcription tools that don't quite live up to the hype, this one's definitely worth checking out. To summarize, Claptools offers a fast, accurate, and free AI transcription service that can save you tons of time. Whether you're using it for YouTube videos, podcasts, or other forms of media, it's a fantastic tool to have in your arsenal. Don't forget to try it out for free by clicking the first link below. And if you're interested in other top-rated AI software, check out my recommended list in the description. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say these are some of the best. Give it a try and let me know how it works for you.